done.
What is up, guys? I just got out of school on a Friday. I'm trying to do some stuff to my car, so I figured I'd show you guys what I'm up to. What I'm working with right now is the fact that it's a LS in a Volvo, so I need to get cooling lines, and obviously you can't just go to this parts store and be like, hey, I need a friggin' LS Volvo cooling line. So I bent up some brake line already for this guy. You know what I mean? Just something simple, just so like you know what's going on, just to get like the idea. And that goes right there. That goes over there. You know what I mean? I marked it with Sharpie, just so I have an idea of where the stump actually goes. And after that, I think I'm going to pick up some burners. Because it's a Volvo, and no one actually does anything cool with these because it's a 98 V90, and no one does any swaps to these cars right now. I found a whole set of wheels on tires, exactly these, for 20 bucks. So I mean, how could you go wrong? I'm probably gonna blow these tires off in a matter of minutes. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna get really excited, you know, when I first drive it. So might as well have a set of burners ready to rock and roll. You know what I mean? All ready to rock, just swap them and go. We're doing Tour de la Volvis, I told you guys. So, first task, part store, coolant hose. See you there.
I'm just going around with a big jug, dude. Who knows how much oil this thing's gonna burn? I'd just rather not make a bunch of stops.
You going with the royal purple though?
For the diff, yeah.
You're gonna need more than that for a diff, no?
Nah, it's 1 quart.
Oh shit.
1.1, but they said, I don't know. I'm reading the forums.
I see. That's weird. Here's Big Kyle.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta say the camera, Big Kyle.
Hello.
Wow. Well, Kyle hooked me up with my snorkel. That'll hopefully work for upper radiator hose.
See? And some hose clamps.
Wow.
Master Pro.
Very confused. Look, he's so lost.
I just spaced out, man. I'm trying to read.
He's like, what does that mean? All right, Kyle. Thank you.
So we finally made it here to pick up the burner tires. How long do you think we drove?
Hour and a half.
An hour and a half, and the guy's dog is going crazy.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
But I mean, hey, these are exactly what I have in my car.
Look what we got.
I'm gonna screech these things off, dude. Yeah.
Dude, they're mint too.
They're
I mean,
dry rotted.
a little dry rotted,
burn them
but
off.
they're burners, so.
I'm gonna burn them off. But
Yeah, mint. Does he really want us to take this whole row?
yeah. I don't really want all
I
of
mean,
them.
this one's junk. It's got a hole right.
Yeah, fuck that.
So,
I'm taking the Volvo ones.
and do we need the spare? It's kind of useless. Let's take these ones and throw them
I just
on.
want Volvo
Who
wheels.
knows
So I put
what?
rubber on them.
Miata tires, let me know. Or that.
Oh, things stuck in my butt.
Oh, it's nice and moist.
These two I like.
They see me rolling. Oh. Another one.
They're screechable.
Screechable. Coming in hot.
This one's a little bit tired.
Oh, jeez.
I wonder where the rig that was sitting there was. We should have bought that too. The Vic also doubles as a tire hauler. Don't even need a truck. And the reason I'm not putting these in the trunk is because I have a humongous sub box. I'll show you that later. We're smuggling them across the border. Look, bag them up. The Mexican blanket. Let's go.
And we out.
Yeah, we went past like a little cemetery. It was cool as shit. I want to see it. It should be up here pretty soon.
Just driving through the middle of the woods.
It's right here.
Ah! You wanted to climb that.
No, I don't want to climb it. I want to see it, you tard.
Oh, there it is.
It's like a little cemetery. That's weird.
That guy's got like a pee-pee for his grave. We're just getting the last of the tires. Out of the Vic. Yeah, I almost just lost it right there.
I wasn't lying.
Alright, there we go.
Alright,
Some
so
burners for the Volvos.
you know it's good when you get a set of burners before the car even runs. Alright guys, well, this is going to be probably a short clip of us getting the tires ready, doing some Volvo stuff. So stay tuned to see more of this in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.